Hey guys, this is Adrienne Nye, registered dietitian, healthy eating and weight loss coach. Today I'll be sharing with you the 3 things you should do once you start your weight loss journey. First and foremost, you want to make sure you are on the right eating plan. This means it's a plan that you can see yourself doing for the long haul. Once you get the right eating plan for weight loss, don't obsess about the plan. There are 3 vital things you need to do in order to get long-term success. The first thing is enjoying the process and having fun. Spend time researching interesting, healthy recipes and foods that work with your weight loss plan. For example, if you love lasagna, switch out the ricotta for cottage cheese to lower the fat and calorie content, or opt for lower fat cheese. Or instead of buying chips for snacks, make your own popcorn or buy lower calorie and fat popcorn, like Boom Chicka Pop. And see which whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, rye bread, whole grain pasta you can switch out into your diet from white rice, white bread, and white pasta. The more whole grains you have, the fuller you will feel because of the higher fiber content compared to the white ones. You want to make eating for weight loss fun and interesting, which is what's going to keep you going. Share what you find with your family and friends, or even me in the comments below to help you stay accountable. The second thing is trying to do it all in 1 week. What I mean is trying to make a complete 360 to your diet overnight once you have the right plan. This is because changing everything at once can be overwhelming. And you don't even know what works or doesn't work because it's too much all at once and you're setting yourself up to fail. Remember, no plan is perfect the first time. Start with small, easy changes. Focus on the small things that you can change first, like managing your stress, sleep, then focus on changing your snacks first, then breakfast, lunch, and then dinner. This builds up your confidence and the foundation to work towards bigger changes. Little changes add up over time. Starting small and easy changes also prevents burnout and a feeling of defeat if you over-challenge yourself. The third thing to do is focus on action and not results. Yes, the plan overall is for weight loss, but don't focus solely on doing your plan just for weight loss. Focusing only on the results is stressful and tiring versus focusing on the action you need to take each day and how to make that action enjoyable. If you're enjoying the journey, it won't seem like work and something that is unsustainable. If you're taking the right action, trust the process, and over time, you will see the results of your output. This is where consistency is key. Real, lasting results don't come overnight. It takes time, patience, and persistence to create sustainable changes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos from me.